Hey guys, my name is Karsten,
And I'm Clayton.
and we are the Plumbing Gurus.
That's what they say.
And we are starting a YouTube channel about plumbing, gas, and hydronic heating. And we're here to inform people on all the special techniques that we use every day. We both, between the two of us, we have 14 years experience. How did we meet, Clayton?
Well, I don't know. That was quite a long time ago. my memory doesn't go that far back. It was about 14 years ago,
Well,
I think.
it's 14 and a half, 2004.
Yeah. We've been plumbing together for, what, 4 or 5 years?
Well, we started off, it was about 5 or 6 years together.
Was it that long?
Yeah, and
Time
then
flies.
you went rogue for a bit and did some rigging.
Yeah.
And then I met you
Big
at
mistake.
Edo, Japan.
Yeah. I was having the sumo size.
Yeah.
I think Carson was on the, you know, probably doing a sumo too.
Oh, yeah,
At the
always.
time. Yeah. Anyways, and then from there we got together and we started working together, and we realized our
Well, what
potential
happened
that-
is I started KPN Plumbing 6 years ago, and I saw you at the Edo, Japan, and you had just kind of been getting laid off of your business, your company that you're working for.
Mhm.
So I offered you a job to come work with me, and it's been 4 years you've been working with me now.
Yep, pretty close.
Yeah.
And it's been I've learned quite a bit on you know, how to do things fast, efficient, and you know, take care of clients and customers. You know, learned a little bit about the business side of plumbing, and really here what we're trying to do is teach people and show people just a few things about plumbing. If anybody's got any questions, you know.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, absolutely. Please, we'll be coming out with videos every week. We're going to try to anyways. And if you have any questions about a video that you'd like to learn about anything to do with plumbing, heating, gas, please leave a comment below. We'll also like to learn what?
Well, the biggest thing that I think that we'll be teaching is for the do-it-yourselfer type of people at home. Things like changing a toilet flapper, changing the toilet, pull the toilet, change the wax seal, put it back together, change a kitchen faucet, snake a drain.
Drainage issues is a big one, which it's quite simple once you get the idea behind it.
And actually, it's ridiculous how much people charge
Yeah.
to do what we do.
We don't mind. You want us
But
to come do the drain, no problem.
And if you happen to live in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, you can call KPN Plumbing and Heating Limited.
Yeah.
Check us out at kpnplumbing.com.
Yeah.
And again, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we're here to teach you guys about all the plumbing and gas stuff. So please, please subscribe and stay tuned.
Absolutely.